Jamaica's Chinese community gathers this October 6th to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival, a time when history, culture, and mooncakes unite in a dance of heritage and joy. But have you ever wondered how this enchanting festival began and why mooncakes are at its heart? Our reporter Marlon Samuels takes us on a historical journey about the Mid-Autumn Festival and mooncakes.
Long ago in ancient China, the Mid-Autumn Festival or Moon Festival began as a harvest celebration. Honoring the moon goddess Chang'e, it was an expression of gratitude for bountiful crops.
Mid-Autumn actually is telling the days of the festival. It's after the harvest and people have lots of the materials to making food, and also the families get together again.
Over centuries, it evolved into a symbol of family reunion, gratitude, and mythic tales of love and loyalty.
We make food, we're eating the moon cake, so it's a traditional Chinese festival.
The iconic mooncake is a delectable round pastry.
It means like harmony and also reunion, get together. So it means family, everyone from the family get together. So it's to us, it's a really lucky and happy moment. And at that time, we share the mooncake. The traditional one has nuts and eggs and hams in it in different areas in China. But now they have a new flavor. It's like a fruit, like a mango, durian, a lot of the young style for the young generation, the new styles for the Gen Z.
It comes in different varieties across the whole country. For example, in the southern parts of China, people put meat in mooncakes, but in the north of China, you seldom see meat mooncakes. You often see mooncakes with fillings of nuts and sugar, etc. But as we develop, mooncakes are also innovating. So people are inventing different kinds of new fillings of mooncakes.
It's very, 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 very yummy. It's a little bit sweet and it's yellow in it. Everyone likes to taste different kinds of mooncakes. We have red beans, green beans, and a lot of beans and anything else. But this is purple potatoes.
Legend whispers of secret messages hidden within mooncakes.
The traditional Chinese legend, there's a rabbit and a beautiful lady living on the moon. But actually, the lady, she was on the earth and with her beloved husband. And her husband one day told her wife that I got 2 pills. Well, we can each, we both can eat 1 pill. Okay, and then we can become the god. We become the god and the goddess. And his wife is very curious about that, and he just tried one when her husband was not at home. And then after she took the 1 pill, she just fly away. And when her husband came back home and found that her wife is gone and it was only 1 pill left, and he knows that what happened. He's very sad and he cannot see his wife anymore. But he knows that his wife is on the moon already, and her wife took their beloved rabbit together on the moon. So according to legend, that we know that there's a rabbit and a beautiful lady on the moon, and his beloved husband is on Earth.
Today, as families gather beneath the luminous moon, sharing slices of mooncakes, they partake in a ritual that transcends borders, connecting Chinese descendants in Jamaica and across the world to their rich heritage. In Jamaica, the Chinese community's celebration of the Mid-Autumn Festival is a vibrant mosaic of tradition and modernity. It's a beautiful reminder that no matter where we are, the moon's gentle glow unites us in shared history and hope. So, this October 6th, as the moon reaches its fullest, let's honor this timeless festival, celebrating the enchanting allure of mooncakes and the enduring spirit of unity it inspires across continents. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels, reporting from Beijing, China.